Gentlemen, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. But most of you don't need any more information. You already know what you should be doing. You need to sleep earlier. You need to trade consistently. You need to stop distracting yourself. You need to build something real. But information without structure, it's nothing. It's theory. That's why so many of you keep jumping to course, looking for a breakthrough. You need to stop trying to replace discipline with knowledge. Structure is what turns knowledge into action. Without it, everything is just theory. Come on, gentlemen, let's go.